I'm not sure if you'll see the number here, but it's 650. So thanks again to everybody who bids on this. I know this one's a little late listing, but hopefully we still get some good hits out of it regardless. So good luck to everybody. And here we go. Four packs. Someday I hope that that'll be 5 packs, but you never know. Wishful thinking, I guess. So let's get into it. Pack 1. We got Antonio Gates. Not bad. Jordan Shipley auto rookie card here. Numbered 115 out of 499. Nice hit there for the Bengals. Got a Kyle Williams for the 49ers card. Rookie card. Des Bryant for the Cowboys royalty card. Got a Steven Jackson royalty card for the Rams. And a Beanie Wells for the Arizona Cardinals. I'm just gonna put that there. Pack 2. Maybe pack 2, I don't know. Alright, we got Mike Sims Walker for the Jags. Looks like a Ravens card, Ray Rice, number 203 out of 299. That's Kings of the NFL. Just a purple swatch there. Anthony Dixon for the 49ers rookie card. Harlan Hill for the Bears majestic card. A Josh Cribbs, Kings of the NFL Cleveland Browns card. And a Terrell Owens for the Bengals. Pack 3. Donnie Avery for the Rams. Oh, this guy lit it up in week 3. For the Oakland Raiders, Run DMC, number 33 out of 50, so that should be 2 colors. Yep. It's not a bad looking card. Got a little piece of gray right up in the corner there. So Darren McFadden card. Nice hit for the Raiders. We have a John Skelton for the Arizona Cardinals rookie card. Another Oakland Raiders, Howie Long, majestic card. For the 49ers, seems like a lot of 49ers cards here. Michael Crabtree. And a Steve Slayton, Houston Texans card. Alright, let's get some last pack auto mojo going on here. Oh, it might be a redemption. So I got a Lewis Murphy here, Oakland Raiders card, and a signatures. That's all it says. Numbered 124. So we'll check that one out after. Spacer card. Another San Fran rookie. It seems like every rookie in all the packs were San Fran guys. So Jarrett Brown, 49ers. Sonny Jurgensen for the Redskins, had him last box as well. It's Heath Miller, all pros for the Steelers. And an Andre Johnson base card. So let's see what this signatures, numbered 124. See what card that is. I don't see it on here. Unless it's just a normal rookie card. If it's a normal rookie card and it's number 124, it's David Geddes. So I'm guessing that's who it is, since I don't see the number 124 anywhere else on this entire checklist. So I'm going to go with David Geddes. I gotta figure out who that is, and then I'll let you know really quick here in the bonus video. So quick recap here. Got the David Geddes card, Redemption. Got the Ray Rice there, Kings of the NFL, Jordan Shipley auto rookie, and Darren McFadden for the Raiders. Alright, so I'll check out who David Geddes is, and I'll be right back with your bonus video.